Part A then already, right? We've had our cut and our fill, right, and a rising 1 in 15. So go out 150 up 10 and then apply that ratio. It was 1 in 1.5, so the ratio would be 15. Now, on the map, D, E and F are outcrop points on the top surface of a stratum of ore. So I've joined D, E and F. So this is the top surface of my stratum of ore. Determine the strike in the dip. Now when it presents like this at higher level, you don't have your elevation to get a horizontal line. But if you take into account, right, F is at 60, E is at 45 and D is at 35, right? So with a little black marker I'm just going to calculate it up here, right? So we're going to say F is 60, okay, E is 45 and D is 35, right? Now where do we draw the line for the strike? From, rather. The middle height, isn't it? Remember we done the middle height in the elevation at the ordinary level. We do the same here. Which of them is the middle height of the three of them? E, right? E is at 45. Now, if E is at 45 and I want to draw a strike here, a level line, what height does the point on this line have to be on if E is at 45 for it to be a true length line or a strike? Remember I showed you at the end there that 45. It has to be at 45 also, right? So, because remember up in the elevation we drew a horizontal line or a level line and then we got that line down here and it was a strike because it was a true length line, a true inclination line. So in order to get a point on this line 45 high, what we say is, well, if we were coming from D to F, that's 25 of a difference, okay? It's going from 35 to 60. So what we do is we're going to divide this line up into 5, right? Because it's 25 meters divided by 5. Now divide that line up into 5. We could mark it. It is an irregular length, so we do the construction that you know from first year, dividing the line up into an equal amount of spaces, right? So pick a random distance on your compass. You go once, twice, 3, 4 and 5. Now join the last one back. Now the reason why I went out, I divided up into 5 was that's 5 5s. It's 25 meters between them. Now if this height is 35 here, okay, this one will be 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60, right? Now which one of them do we want if E is at 45? We want this one at 45 also, okay? So this line here then in green is my strike or true length line, okay? Now again, if you think back to the ordinary level one, we had the elevation to get the line horizontally across from E level to get the true length of it there as the strike. We didn't have that there, so what you got to do is you take your middle of your three heights of the stratum and then you calculate on the far side to that point. You do your ratio up along, divide it into 5 meter intervals, and that way you'll get your 45 out there. So we started at 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60 was back at the height F60. Right, that's how to get the strike. You can do that there now.